Happy birthday! 60 ka na, discounted ka na.
Hello, Ate Lolet. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. 60 ka na. Marami ka ng discount. Sama mo kami.
Hello, Let! Happy birthday! 60 na tayong lahat. Marami na tayong discount. Magkakakain tayo. Marami na tayong discount. Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo.
Hi, Tita Lolet. Happy 60th birthday. MBTC. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Lolet. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Lolet. I love you. Happy birthday po, Tita Lolet. More birthdays to come po. We love you.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ate Lolet.
Natatawa. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lolet. Mahal na mahal kita. Hindi kita pababayaan habang ako'y nabubuhay.
Okay. Happy birthday, Tita Lolet.
Happy birthday, Ate Lolet.
Happy birthday, Ate Let. Thank you. Dapat
Happy birthday, Tita Lolet. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Lolet. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lolet. Sana napasaya ka namin. Lalo na dito sa namin, sa mga surprise namin mula sa cake, sa mga bouquet, hanggang dito sa venue mo. Sana napasaya ka namin at enjoy your day. At I love you, ate.
Happy birthday, Tito Lolet. Sana enjoy ka ngayon. Happy birthday, Tita Lolet. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lolet!
Hello po, Ate Lolet. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama.
Enjoy your day!
Enjoy your day. We love you.
I love you!
Hi, Ma! Happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ng ama ng mahabang buhay, mamalusog at malakas na pangangatawan. At saka sana magamit na natin yung vision mo. Kaya kumuha ka na ng ID para may discount na tayo sa pagkagasal. Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday, Te! More birthday po pa. Ay, happy birthday, Ate Lolet! Sana mas marami ka pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo at sana magmasaya ka sa buhay mo sa araw-araw. At sana pagbalik mo sa Boracay kasama mo na kami. Happy birthday, God bless and good health sa'yo. Love you. Happy birthday, Mother! We love you! Happy birthday, Tita Lolet!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lola Lolet.
Happy birthday, Lola Lolet!
Happy birthday, Tita Lolet.
Happy birthday po, Lola Lolet! I love you! Happy birthday, Lola Lolet!
Happy birthday, Tita Lolet. Enjoy your senior year na. So, welcome ka na sa mga senior na kagaya nila Mama, nila Tita Lisa. So, yun, enjoy ka lang ngayong araw na to. Hanep, nakapag-Boracay ka na. Di ka na ma-reach talaga. Happy birthday ulit. God bless you. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye.